Hello guys, I'm here today for talking to you about a great tool which is a Forex simulator. Basically it allows you to test your strategy offline with real data right before you go online and start trading with your own money. Okay, so let's get into it. Alright, so the tool's name is Soft Forex Simulator. It's actually an expert advisor. You'll find it right here. Alright, so let's run it and see how it goes. First off, you get to these tabs. So the first one is actually a gives you some information about the version of this simulator. Alright, secondly, in this tab you're supposed to come here and allow live trading. Okay, so you get here, and regarding the safety, you also need to allow the modification of signals. Okay, we good. Then you go to inputs. All right, and this is where you need to write down your email and also the activation code, which will be given to you once you purchase this simulator. Okay, so I'm gonna do this now. Hold on. Got you. All right, and this fourth tab, you don't actually need to get into it. All you have to do is press here, OK. Sweet. So now you get to this page. In this page, you can see that you have this account number, and also you have this green color, which actually tells you this simulator is OK. Everything is fine. So you can go ahead and start the trading simulation. All right. Just don't forget to run this auto trading, and that's it. All right, so in the next video I'll show you how you can upload and download charts so you can start trading on real data to improve your trading, and basically to keep working on your strategy so you can go online and make some money. All right, thank you very much, and see you in the next video.